Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I'm playing an indie game made in Unity on itch.io called The New Resident. I will leave a link in the description below for you to have a go. It says on the page, people have been going missing and it seems like they all have a connection to a company called ManneCorp. I think I pronounced that right. ManneCorp? ManneCorp? I'm guessing it's related to mannequins because it looks like there's mannequins in this. You decide to investigate, but you better watch your back. I do not like mannequins. I find them a bit freaky. I'm sure I mentioned that in a couple of playthroughs of some other games. Okay, I'm just going to get into this. Do I hit space? No? Enter? There we go.
The first person went missing a year ago, and several disappearances have since followed. After a bit of digging, I discovered they were all connected by one thing: ManneCorp.
I did pronounce it right then.
Each missing person had a connection with an employee of the company. I tried to piece it all together, but there was something missing. That is, until I received an anonymous tip with an address.
Nice address.
666 Dyer Lane, location of the ManneCorp warehouse outside of town. Something seemed off, but I figured the lead was worth following.
Alright, let's follow it then. Let's see where we go to. Oh, hello.
ManneCorp.
Yep, I was right. Mannequins. Pixely mannequins. I do not like mannequins. They freak me out. Is that moving, that one? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I can't run, so a bit slow. Look at him.
Yeesh, I hate
Look at him.
mannequins.
Hey up. That. Oh. What we got here then?
Holy shit. This is everyone who's been missing. I need to leave now.
This time. I trust the conversation process went well, but we don't want another escaping. Yeah, that's reassuring. Be sure to watch your back when you leave. Don't forget about last week's incident. What incident? Press space to flash your camera at anything that sneaks up behind you. Oh, didn't expect that. Okay, so do I just... Oh, okay, cool. Cool. I'm guessing how that mechanic was done was when you press spacebar, it flashes a white raw image, and at that very exact moment it makes the model disappear, and then obviously just a quick animation to fade back into the game. I'm guessing that's what was used there. Oh, for the... What? Oh, stop it. And every time I turn around, there's... Oh my... Oh! I don't like the mannequins. Oh, I'm a mannequin now. Ha! Oh dear. So basically, if I don't turn around, no problem. Press any button to continue. Okay, I'm going to try again. Okay, we may as well skip this. We know what he says. Let's try and get straight into it. If I don't turn around, then surely I'm okay.
Yeesh, I hate mannequins.
Yeah, I know what you mean, fella. I hate mannequins.
Holy shit.
Yep.
This is everyone who's been missing.
Okay.
I need to leave now.
Right, let's go then. Okay, so I can hear noises. Is that because something's coming up behind me? Can I not just get out? What if I turn... Oh. Oh. Okay, so if I gradually do that... Okay, I'm going to skip. I'm going to have to try again. I'm going to have to try again. I am thinking that
why did you bring me
if I... So if I do it, turn around 3 times and use the light, I can get out. That's my thinking.
Holy shit. Whew. This is everyone who's been missing.
Come on, let's do this.
I need
let's
to
do
leave
this.
now.
Right, okay. I want to know what happens to all these mannequins off screen.
Ah!
Oh. I am really curious to know the mechanics of how that's working. That's really intriguing.
ManneCorp.
Because they're not always in the same
Why did
pose.
you
They're
bring
not
me
always at
here?
the same distance behind the player. And yeah. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. Sorry if I'm boring you guys. But this has actually piqued my interest a little bit.
Holy
I am
shit.
cure to know how that's
This is
done.
everyone who's been missing.
The mannequins appear
I need to
behind them.
leave. Now.
If you are the developer of this, leave me a quick comment to let me know how you did it. It's clever. Okay, so I can hear the noise. So I'll take a picture. Take a picture. So I'm going to try and get to the door now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I did it.
I made it. Those things nearly got me.
I did it. I did it.
I need to report this to the station, and fast.
Oh, I escaped. Okay. Well, that was
The first person.
the new resident. A short little
Why did you bring me here?
makes you think game. That took me a few times to get right. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself if you want to. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. But let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. Link in the description if you want to try and have a go yourself. And if anyone wants to try and explain, if the developer doesn't, how that's done, let's give it a go, because I'd like to try and replicate that. That's cool. I like it. Anyway, I've been Jimmy Vegas. This has been The New Resident. Guys, thank you very much for watching.